What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be another pocket options video. So it's been a minute since last time I made a live trading video. So today is going to be the day number 7. Okay, so day number 6 yesterday, not yesterday, the day before we lost 1% of our balance. Okay, so we went from 1064, I think, to 1055. Okay, so yesterday was a good day. We made 1%. Okay, so we are back to where we left. Okay, 1066.34, as you can see right there. And yeah, today's target is 1077. So let's round this number up to 1080 so we can wrap it up. Okay, so risk management is still the same. Okay, 1% for the daily target, 1% for the risk, but instead of using 0.1, excuse me, 0.1%, I am using 0.25%. So therefore, I will be using less trades in order to achieve my daily target. God damn it, my daily target. Okay, so that being said, let's look for the trading pairs and let's start trading. Okay, so it's 9:58. So let's finish this session in under an hour. All right, y'all, we have 3 trading scenarios right here. So this one, we clearly can see that it's on a downtrend. What I'm waiting right now is the price to close below the 10 and 20 SMA, and I will take a trade on that one. Then we have this one. This one is a bit tricky because you can see that it's starting to go up. Okay, so I'm reluctant to place a lower position because the price might not come all the way to the green line. And from here, you might have a continuation to the upside. So it can be a tricky trade because we can see that the dump has finished and now is slowly rising. So I'm looking the price to come over here to this area and from here, try to bounce back up. And next one up, we have this one. Okay, so this one right here. So the next candle, if it closes above the 10 and 20 SMA, then I will put a higher position on this one because it potentially will stick to the pattern and have a continuation to the upside. Okay. So those are the trades that I have in mind. Also, I have this one. We can see that it's on a downtrend, but the signal is weak right here. So it's kind of tricky. So the price is reacting to the 100 SMA. As you can see in the past, it reacts all the time. So it is reacting right now. So I'm just waiting to see if the price breaks below the 100 SMA. And if it does, because it's already closing below the 10 and 20 SMA, once it closes below 100 SMA, that might potentially is going to be a confirmation that the price will have a continuation to the downside. So let me see which one I'm going to place first. So I've changed the candles. Instead of 30 seconds, I decided to go for 1 minute, try the strategy, but with bigger time frame to see how it works. And the trading time is going to be 2 times and 11 seconds, the candles. Okay, so 2 minutes and 11 seconds, right? So this one seems like it's not going to have a continuation to the downside. So usually it breaks above the green lines a little bit and then have a reversal. We also have this one, okay, but it's not doing much. This one, I didn't place a trade because we were on a downtrend. It could be just a small pullback before having a continuation to the downside, because you can see right here, we're still on a downtrend, so it could be a risky trade. As you can see right here, price seems like it's going to reverse a little bit. Okay, we have this one still coming down, okay, and this one right here, right, so it's consolidating a little bit. As you can see right here, in the past it did as well, around the 100 SMA. So it's normal, it's expected, but everything shows green, right? Even though the signal is a bit weak, we got a crossover right there. We got lots of green bars, and the price um, are closing above all the SMA. So 10, 20, and 100 SMA. So that's usually a good sign that everything indicates that the momentum will continue to the upside. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and from there I will make my decision. Okay, so the candle has closed. I'm gonna place a decision, an entry right there. So 2 minutes and 11 seconds on this trade. So let's see how this trade is gonna develop. In the meantime, let me have a look around. Okay, This one right here, the signal is getting very weak, okay? But over here on Instagram, you can see green bars, all right? So price is reacting to this area, so we'll be in two minds. So it's kind of interesting to see how this one is going to work. This one, all right, is still where we started. So we still got 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay, this one seems like it finished the pullback, and from here potentially will go up. So when I will put my position on this one, I will put my position when the candles close above the 10 and 20 SMA. Okay, so when that happens, I will place my position. Back to this one, back to this one. Still got a lot of green candles. Okay, this one is taking its time. 1 minute and 6 seconds to go. Let's see how this one is going to play out. Apple, it didn't go as planned, right? So it's going outside the pattern. So it seems like it's no longer going to stick to the pattern. This one right here seems like it's going to go up. Didn't even know why I got that one. So this one had a small pullback, small pump before have a continuation to the outside. Seems like it's going to be that way. And this one right here, I call it the local bottom, right? We can see over here in the histogram that the signal is very weak. Lines are very close to each other, so it can be a dangerous trade. So price is just consolidating right now. This one seems like it's going back up now. And this one right here, we have 18 seconds to go, 17 seconds to go. Let's hope the price will have a continuation to the upside and we can clear this first trade. Okay, by the way, it's 10:10. Okay, guys, so I had to, prior to start trading, I have to do my technical analysis and yeah, pick the right pairs for the trading day. So that was our first trade. Okay, so in the meantime, this one seems like it's gonna have a continuation to the upside. This one as well. And yeah, I'm looking to place a trade on this one, but the candles are very weak and has long wicks, so we can get burned on this kind of trade. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for the next opportunity. Okay, we potentially have this scenario right here. You know, it reacted to the 100 SMA, but now seems like it's gonna go down. So what I'm looking for right now, I'm just looking for this candle to close. And once it closes below all the three SMAs, I will place my entry. This one still slowly creeping up. Okay, Amazon finally came over here to this green line. So I'm just hoping to see a reversal and a continuation to the upside. Okay, so the candle has closed. We're going to place a lower entry on this one. I'm hoping that the price will have a continuation to the downside and will come closer to this green line right here. Okay, excuse me. Again, it's 1 minute candle, 2 minutes and 11 seconds per trade. So let's see how this trade is going to develop. In the meantime, this one, we can see that the signal is weak because the candles are very small, so it can be a dangerous trade right now, even though price potential will come all the way up to the top, right? So this one right here, okay, it worked out perfectly, okay, it wasn't straight line. We can see that we had a small pullback reacting over here to the 100 SMA, okay, and now potentially the price will consolidate around this area and have a continuation to the upside, sticking to the trend, okay? I have this one right here. I didn't place any trades because we were in a downtrend. Now we are going up. Potentially price will come and test this local top one more time. Okay, so price is reacting to this 100 SMA, is working as a resistance. So once price finish the consolidation, I will then try and place a higher position to go to the top. Right, Amazon not doing much, not doing what's expected. Okay, this one broke the pattern. This one right here, I was looking at on this one to hoping that the price would have a continuation to the downside because we're on a downtrend. Okay, I thought price was consolidating and then from here would break below, but seems like it's gonna do something else. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that one for now. So this one right here, we got 31 seconds to go. Everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the downside. So 20 seconds. And yeah, if that's the case, we are going to be able to secure this trade. Okay, 14 seconds to go. Yeah, seems like this one is going to be a win as well. 5 seconds. Cool, we got that one. So we are $9 away to achieve our daily target. All right. So that being said, okay, this one, let's see what's going to happen with this one. If let's see what's going to happen when it comes to 100 SMA. If the price going to, um, if the 100 SMA is going to work as support, because usually 100 SMA, the long-term trend works as support and resistance. Okay, let's see if the price going to react to the 100 SMA and have a bounce back up, or the price gonna break straight through and continue this pattern. Okay, so if you go back, we can see that the price reacts to the 100 SMA. Okay, right there. Okay, it comes closer to the 100 SMA. So as you can see, 100 SMA works as resistance and support. All right, so it's very good to do some back testing so we can go back and see what happened on the previous times. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this one, and if I place a trade on this one, I will then continue the video. Okay, third trade of the day, just decided to place a higher position on this one. We can see that the price is slowly going back up, right? Um, we can see, well, when I placed the trade, the candles were closing above the 10, 20, and 100 SMA. That's why I decided to place a higher position. But it seems like as soon as I placed the trade, price decided to have a small pullback. Okay, but if you look at the MACD over here, we can see green bars, we can see the crossover, and everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, back to Apple. Okay, back Apple is reacting to the 100 SMA as expected. So from here, we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen, if the next candle is gonna break below, or this is just a small pullback and then the price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, so we're gonna keep an eye on this one. That one, okay, came over here too. Again, 100 SMA, and seems like it's gonna go down. And this one, it broke the pattern. Okay, as you can see, signal was getting weak and now reversed, and it's going to go down. This one, Apple, Amazon, okay, seems like it's going to react to the 100 SMA a little bit longer before have a continuation to the upside. We got 50 seconds to go. Hopefully that will be enough for us to secure this trade. Okay, okay. Back to Apple, seems like it's going to break through this 100 SMA and it's going to have a continuation to the upside. A good entry would be right here, but would be risky because we didn't have much confirmation about this pullback. Okay, so candle is going to close now. Okay, and so let's see. I'm going to wait a few more candle, one more candle to see how the candle is going to close, and then from there I'm going to place my entry. Okay, back to this one. We got 10 seconds to go. Ooh. If we win this one, it's going to be a very close one. 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Ooh, cool. Sweet. Okay, I like that. All right, so this one right here seems like it's going to have a continuation to the downside. Had a dump, small pump, got rejected by 100 SMA, and now seems like it's gonna go down one more time. But the reason I don't like this chart is it's too spiky, okay? It has lots of wicks, so sometimes you get burned by those wicks. So I'm gonna stay away from that um, from that trade right now. And as you can see right here, I'm glad I didn't place that trade. I decided to wait because price, as you can see right here, it tipped the green line, okay, and also is reacting to the 100 SMA, okay. So it's very important to wait the price to close below and have a continuation before you place the trade. I'm glad I listened to my thoughts and say, okay, just wait one more candle and see how it goes. Okay, let me look for the next opportunity and let's continue the trading session. Okay, so we potentially have this one going on. Okay, we call this one the local top, local bottom right here. And since it reached the local top, came down, and we can see that it's doing higher lows and also higher highs. Okay, so I was expecting the price to come all the way here. Obviously, it doesn't come all the time to the lines that we draw, but that's just an guidance to give an idea how far the price can go. Okay, so we got local high, a higher low, sorry, local low, higher low, and higher low again. We can see that the price is trading above the 100 SMA. Now it's trading above the 10 SMA. So this candle right here closed above the 10 SMA. And the next candle, or probably the next two candles, will close above the 20 SMA. That's an indication that the trend has reversed. Okay, the pullback has stopped. Okay, we can see lots of green bars on Instagram, even though the bars are weak, the candles are small. Okay, this can be a good trade, but it might take some time to get to this local top. Okay, so what I'm looking at is the next candle. So if the next candle close um, touches the 20 SMA, that's an indication that the price potentially will have a continuation to the upside. But I'm in two minds because the candles, as you can see, they are very small, very weak. Whereas over here, we got some big candles, okay, big body candles. And over here, price seems like it's going to consolidate a little bit before have a continuation to the upside. So, okay, seems like price now decides to pump crank up. Okay, uh, let's see if the price comes back a little bit more so we can get a better position, a better entry. Seems like. Let's place it here. Okay, we are in. So now we're just looking for the price to come over here to this local top. In the meantime, let me show you around. Let me see what I got. Okay, this one is playing tricks. Okay, he was doing this and then follow the purple pattern and then broke the purple pattern and now he's doing whatever. Okay, Amazon, it's doing what it's supposed to do, but the process, the candles were very weak. It was taking its time, so that's why I just didn't place any trade on this one. McDonald's still coming down to this local bottom, so you will find support over here. And let's see what's gonna happen next. This one right here, still on the uptrend, but it's still too spiky, so many wicks, so I didn't place any trade on this one, or apart from the one right here. This one over here, you know, the signal is very weak, so I don't know what he's doing right now. So let's see if we're going to break below this purple line. If it breaks below, then this pattern is no longer valid. Okay, let's go for the next one. This one, okay, missed this one already. Seems like this one is going to test this local bottom. Okay, let's place a lower entry right here. Seems like this one is going to come and test the local bottom. And if that's the case, we just go low on this one. Next one up, we have this one just broke below the local bottom right here. Let's see what's going to happen to this one. At the same time, we can see the signal is weak right there. This one right here, okay, we had a pattern, even though the MACD is showing lots of green bars. Potentially, it will come down a little bit more before have a continuation to the upside. We have this one going on. We got 30 seconds to go. Okay, signal is getting weak. So this one is going to be a close call. Okay, but hopefully um, we'll have enough time to secure this trade. Okay, so we got 15 seconds to go and price is pulling down. Seems like we're not going to make on this one. A good entry would be right here when the candle close above the 10 SMA. 3 seconds, and this one is a loss. Okay, and this one we got 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. Price is pushing and it's going to come down to the local bottom. That's what we want to see. And yeah, if that's the case, we're going to be able to secure this one. Just realize that the payout is 80% and not 22, but it's okay, okay? So let's see how it goes. Let me see the next one. This one right here, I was expecting this one to come over here to this local top, but seems like it's not going to happen. So I'm going to keep an eye on that one. In the meantime, let's have a look around. Which one? The one that we failed was, yeah, this one right here. Okay, everything was showing that green, 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 but the price didn't manage to go all the way to the top. But at least we tried, okay? This one, we have 30 seconds to go. Yeah, it seems like this one is going to be a winner. And that will put us at 1072. Okay, we'll be at $8 left to reach our targets. Okay, 15 seconds, final stretch. Last 10 seconds. So let's see how the price is going to react to this local bottom. If it's going to touch and reverse back up, or it's going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, 1073. So we won one, we lose one, we lost one. Okay, so we're back to where we started. Okay, so let me look for the next opportunity and let me continue the video. Okay, here we go again for another Amazon trade. We can see that it's still on the uptrend. Right now, we had a pullback. So it came over here again. It tested the 100 SMA. So at 100 SMA worked as support. So the chart, the price found support over here, the 100 SMA right there. Okay, so it touched, and from here we could see that the trend started to reverse. So we got green bars over there, we got green bars over here, and now what I'm looking for is for the price, the candles to close above the 10 SMA, which is the yellow line. So once that happens, I will place my higher position, and I'm hoping that the price will have a continuation to the upside, because you can see we are on the uptrend, right? So on the long-term trend, we are on the uptrend. Okay, so we just need a confirmation for the price to reverse on the smaller time frame, smaller trend. Okay, shorter trend, I mean, which is the 10 SMA right here. So once the candle breaks above, okay, I will place a higher position and let it ride. So hopefully the price will come over here to this green line and will be enough for us to secure this trade. So I'm thinking to place two trades. So if you place two trades, you make like almost $5. So we're going to be one step closer to our daily target, which is 1080, and we can wrap this video up. Excuse me, my voice is going. Okay, we got some momentum over here. Buyers are stepping in. We can see that trying to push the price up. Okay, we got a candle right there. I'm gonna place one there, and we are in. And let's let it ride. Okay, so we got 2 minutes and 13 seconds to go. And hopefully all will go well. The price will have a continuation to the upside, and we'll be able to secure this trade. Okay, in the meantime, let me show you around what I got. Okay, this one's still messy. It's pumping. Okay, we're gonna keep an eye on that one. Okay, probably have an entry. Let me see what's gonna happen. Okay, price is reacting. Okay, that's a bit too much, but let's hope that we're gonna have a continuation to the upside. Still got 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. Ooh, this candle is really pushing it down. Let's see. Okay, we got the red candle right there. So let's see what's gonna happen from here. If the price gonna have a break to the downside from this green line, or just a small pullback before have a continuation to the upside. Okay. Hopefully price will come to the 100 SMA, test it, and go back up. Okay, but there is a chance that the price may just break this pattern and fall below. So, so let's see how it goes. We got 50 seconds to go. Price is really pushing it down, so less likely we're gonna be able to secure this trade. Let's see. So if the price breaks below the 100 SMA, then the price most likely gonna have a continuation to the downside. Let me place a line over here. As you can see right here, even though we do technical analysis, try our best to have the best trades and have winning trades. Most of the times, or sometimes it doesn't go as planned. Okay, so we got 9 seconds on this trade right here. seems like price will no longer have a continuation to the upside and potentially will start coming down to this green line over here. Okay, so right now, because we lost that one, so I'm just looking to see if the price is going to break below the 100 SMA, then I'm going to place a lower entry, to catch the ride towards this green line. And if the price from here decided to react and have a continuation to the upside, then we're going to go higher again and try to catch the swing high. Okay, so now it's just a moment of waiting. Okay, we're back at it. So it seems like Amazon didn't decide to go down, okay, which is good to see. All right, seems like the trend is going to have a continuation to the upside. So just place another higher position. Also, I'm on the lookout for this one. Is it this one? Yeah, this one right here. Okay, seems like this one is going to have a continuation to the upside. Potentially try this local top right here. What I'm looking right now, I'm just looking to see the price break above the 110 and 20 SMA so we can place a higher position on this one. Amazon, okay. Seems like we're definitely going to have a continuation to the upside this time. Hopefully, yes. All right. Um, Let me place another one over here. Oh, damn, I placed two instead of one. So yeah, let it roll. Hopefully that will be the case. We can see that it's trading above the 10, 20, and 100 SMA. It's on the uptrend. You can see green bars. We got the crossover over here. So everything indicates that price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, but anything can happen, as you could see. Sometimes, despite we're doing the best technical analysis, sometimes trades don't go as planned. Okay, and we just gotta accept that. Okay, price seems like it's gonna pull back one more time, which is not great. Okay, and yeah, if that's the case, we're gonna be losing these three trades that we got going on one more time. Okay, in the meantime, this one seems like it's not gonna have a continuation to the upside, and most likely it's gonna have a continuation to the downside because signal is getting weak. Okay, back to Amazon. Amazon is in two minds. So we got 25 seconds on the first trades and 1 minute and 14 seconds on the last two trades. So let's see what's going to happen with this one. Are we going to wrap this video up, or we're going to have to place a few more trades to secure our daily target? Okay, we got 8 seconds to go. Price is in two minds where we started, 3 seconds. And we lost that one for a few seconds. Okay, and yeah, price is not really doing much over here, even though everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the upside. It is struggling. Okay, it is struggling, and let's see how these two trades gonna play out. Okay, so we got 30 seconds to go on these two trades. Maybe I should reduce this one for a bit shorter time period. Okay, 22 seconds to go. Price is really hovering where we started, which is not great, so obviously. But, as you can see over here in the MACD, everything indicates green, 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 green. So seems like we're not going to be lucky on this one again. Okay. And we out. Okay. We got Tesla going on. We got our entry. You can see that he's doing higher lows. So potentially price will test this local top one more time. And if that's going to be the case, we will try to secure. Oh, damn it. I double clicked again. If that's the case, we will try to secure these three higher positions. Okay, it's meant to be two, but seems like I double clicked, and yeah, we got three positions going on. So we got 1 minute and 20 seconds on the first one, and 1 minute and 49 seconds on the last two. Price, god damn it! Every time I place a trade, the price decides to do the opposite. So from now on, I think I'm going to start placing the opposite of what I'm thinking. So that way, potentially, we're going to be able to secure the trades. Okay, because every time I click, something else going on. Right. So let's see how it goes. We got a crossover on the MACD. We got green bars going on. even though the signal is weak. So potentially, we have a good trade over here because price come over here to the 100 SMA, test it out, and it seems like it's bouncing back up. He's above the 100, 20, and 10 SMA. So everything indicates that price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, that's what we want because we want to be able to secure these 3 trades that we got going on. 30 seconds to go on the first one, 55 and 54 on the last 2. Okay, so hopefully this is going to be a winner and we'll be able to recoup our previous losses, okay, with Amazon. Okay, Amazon seems like it's going to have a reversal. It's going to have a continuation to the downside, but signal is very weak. Okay, we got 3 seconds on the first one. Yeah, we got that one locked. Cool. I'm glad to see that. 20 seconds on the last 2. So hopefully we're going to be able to lock these 2 as well so we can be very close to our daily targets, okay, which is 1077, but I would like to round it up to 1080, okay, just to make a round number, right? So 4 seconds. Cool. We got those 3 candles, right? So we are good to go. Amazon. So by the way, guys, I had to increase the amount to 0.5 to recoup the previous losses that we had over here with Amazon. Okay, so I placed 3 trades with 0.5%, and put us back in the green zone. Okay, so let's go back to 2.5. And seems like Amazon is going to have a continuation to the downside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place a 3-minute trade on this one and let it roll. Okay, so if we clear this one, we are going to be at 1078, 1078, huh? 1078, yes, because we got $5 right there. So we're going to be at 1078. So the daily target is 1077, even though I would like to make it round to 1080. Okay, so if we make 1078, I'll be happy with that. So what I'm looking right here is looking the price to come over here to this green line, which is I call the local bottom. Okay, we have this uptrend over here and price failed to have a continuation, try 2 times, failed to have a continuation, and from there the price broke below the 10, 20, and 100 SMA. So that's an indication that price potentially will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, but price is very slow because the momentum is slow. Okay, so me placing 3 minutes and 11 seconds on this trade, hopefully will be enough time for this trade to develop and we'll be able to secure this trade. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we're down to the last minutes. Okay, 50 seconds to go. And as you can see, price, God damn it, man. This sucks. Price is literally hovering where we entered, all right? Oh, I don't know if this is coincidence or pure manipulation, all right? But I don't think I'm the only trader in this platform. So they cannot, so even if the platform is manipulated, I don't think that I'm the only trader that they are on the lookout, right? Because I'm a small fish right here. And we got 18 seconds to go. Price decided to have a reverse, and seems like we are going to get burned on this freaking trade one more time. Okay, Amazon, god damn it. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and boom, we out of the game one more time with Amazon. God damn it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a day because I've been trading over an hour, so it's time to have a break. So, yeah, that's it for today. Even though we haven't reached our 1% daily target, we made some bucks. Let me show you my trading history of the day. Okay, we can see that we performed 13 trades. So profitable trades 54%, and trading profit is 761 bucks. So that equals a 0.76% of the day. Okay, not bad. I would like to reach 1080, but seems like price chart sometimes doesn't go as planned, so you have to accept that, and there is no point keep chasing the trades. Okay, you might as well call it a day while we're in profits, come back another day and try to make it all over again. Okay, so that being said, guys, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.